Alright, Facebook Live.
We're
coming to you from Florida, Inner Circle, Got Money and Sex Mastermind. We're gonna give some time to see if some of you guys are logging in. See the house here behind us. This is where we've been staying for the past couple of days. This is where we're gonna be staying for the next 3 days. So, what are the 3 biggest insights that we've gotten so far? 3 biggest insights. I'll tell you right now, one of the things that I'm surprised about is how quickly like women and men just begin to be real when you have the conversation about money and sex. It's like the 2 biggest topics, right? Like that woman and man, we all want at the bottom line money and sex. And at the end of the day, we have to be real. We have to be real. So Miguel Sanchez, Luis Pacheco, Ian. Oh, Ian, how you doing? Monica. We got Edgar. So real quick, what we're gonna do is comment below where are you watching this from, because we're gauging the audience. We want to make sure that we're hitting the right demographics, we're hitting the right geographical areas. So if you want to comment below, see where you're watching us from. We'd love to see where you're watching this broadcast from and shout you out here.
You gotta give it some time because this one's not like Snapchat. It takes a little bit of time.
Germany, we got Ian from Germany. Wow, good stuff. Huntington Beach, man.
Fabiola.
We got Fabiola from Florida. Well, this is a beautiful weather here in Orlando. I'll tell you right now. It's for me, it's perfect weather. Yeah. I love this. I'm like a tropical beach bum type of guy. Nashville, Tennessee, Marcus. Good to see you. Good to see you. Tennessee. We got Loretto, Texas. Arturo Solis, Gustav. Ohio. Bruce is in Ohio, but oh, Bruce, I remember Bruce. How you doing, brother? It's been a while. We are in Orlando, Florida right now. It is like 89 degrees right now. Humidity to the roof. I'm gonna start sweating here in about 5 minutes.
Nice. I love this weather.
The longer we keep on this broadcast, the probably gonna end up here in the pool. So, Danielle's watching. Do your homework, Daniel. Do your homework. Yes, Fabiola, we were thinking about you. We're thinking about you. We're gonna go to West Palm Beach, but I heard a hurricane is coming through, so we might not make it. So we got Texas. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So here's a couple of things. 3 things that we learned so far in this Got Money and Sex Mastermind. So the first thing that we learned is, in any relationship, whether it's a customer or as your partner, the key to having a next level relationship is what, babe?
You need to learn to communicate.
Communication. Communication. Good stuff, girl. You're learning communication. See, but
attention.
Here is the thing. Communication between men and women. See, the way that men like to be communicated is completely different than the way that women like to be communicated. So understand this. Know your partner. Know your customer. So how do women like to be communicated? Tell me a way that women like to be communicated.
Well, it depends. That's like a whole topic. But I think for us, for you guys, like we need to, for women, what is the most difficult that I found out in this mastermind is for us to learn to ask. To ask for the things that we truly want. And I think the reason why it sometimes is difficult for us to ask is because we don't know what we really want.
You hear that, guys? Hold on. Can you repeat that, please?
It's difficult for us to ask because we don't know what we want.
And here we are, as men, we're asking, what do you want?
Sometimes we don't know.
What do you want? And when your woman is telling you, like, I don't know what I want, it's frustrating as fuck for us.
I know.
Because as men, we like to do one thing. The one thing we love to do is fix shit and execute.
That's right.
Like if something is broken, we like to fix it. So if you go to your woman and like, babe, what's wrong? We're like, what do you want to do? And she's like, I don't know what I want to do. And And what do you usually say?
Give me some time to figure it out. I say now, give me some time to figure it out, but it takes a little bit of time for the woman to figure out what it is that they want. And when they do want, women, you need to learn to ask. This is what I want. Whether it's in the bedroom, whether it's in the relationship, whether it's in communication, that's what I've learned in this mastermind.
Make sure you ask, because here's what I think women, they think that we have like a special chip in our heads that we could read your mind. Well, let me break it down to you, women. Men are not mind readers. We wish we were. If we were, we'd probably be better lovers. We'd probably be better businessmen, and we could read the customer's mind.
Yes, but that's
But
not
we
the case.
are not mind readers. So stop assuming that we know what you want. Just tell us. And here's one way. I give you girls a secret of how to communicate with men. Be direct. Don't be around the bush.
Yes.
If you would like me to bite you a certain way, just say it. If you like me to do something a certain way, just say it.
Are you crazy?
If you like me to do something a certain way, just say it. Because if you don't give us direct information,
Yes.
we just shooting blind. We're just shooting blind. So be direct in your communication.
That's a great thing to know. Yes.
And men, just understand, your women are gonna be giving you clues, because sometimes they don't even know what they want. And just right now, my wife is like, we don't know what we want. Feminine energy loves to be free. The feminine energy doesn't like to be controlled.
Totally.
So,
2 thumbs up for that one.
I have my son watching here. Look, so I have to watch what I say. He's under Martha Farias. Alejandro, we miss you, babe. We miss you. So, what is the second thing that we learned so far, babe? The second
That goes
takeaway.
to the asking, communication. I don't know what
The
is it?
key thing, at least for us, at least for men, is how far will you go when you have the right people around you.
Association.
Association
Totally.
is everything. Like if you
Yes.
want to be a better businessman, associate yourself with better businessmen. If you want to have a better marriage, associate yourself with people who are working in their marriages. There is no perfection. I don't think that I don't pretend that we have a perfect marriage. There's nothing
far.
perfect.
By far.
There's no perfection in life. There's
We're
only progress.
progression. Yeah.
So if you're constantly looking to make progress, you have to be around people that want to make that progress.
Yeah, and that's what I think we've always done ever since we were young, in our younger years. Like we're still young.
Younger.
Yeah, younger years.
Still
We're
younger. I don't know
young.
about you, but I'm
young.
I'm
I'll be
young.
40, but I'm still feeling young. And you're only as old as you feel. But we were always around people that had amazing marriages, and it only attracted us for us to be around them so we could learn. The same thing with the business. You know, you have amazing business partners that allow you to grow, and I think that association, it's key. And that's what, you know, for us, like we have this beautiful home, and we invite this amazing people to come and be here with us, and we learn from them as much as they're learning from us, because there's some amazing couples here that have come from all around.
And here's the cool thing is that everyone who comes in, we don't have perfect marriages. We only have one thing in common, which is we want to create progress.
Yes.
And like we want to create progress, and we have people here that give us insights of how to make it better. We're learning from each other. That's the power of association.
Yeah.
Seeing, oh shit, are you going through this? I'm going through this. Oh, I went through this. Same thing in business. Like we just finished doing a mastermind in business while the girls were working on their feminine, you know, their sexy movements that you guys like to learn. Guys, we're in the cave, expanding our empire. We have guys who are doing just this year 125% increase on their business.
Wow.
Like they had 120. We have 2 guys here that, because of the power association, being associated in this group, being associated at the next level, they were able to grow their business by 125%. I mean, that just blew my mind, because like once you have the balance and the integration and the system to be able to have the energy in your body, the purpose in your being, increasing your business, and the bonds, the relationship with your wife, knowing that your wife is not your enemy. Like business becomes easy. Business becomes fun.
Yeah.
So what is the third thing that we learned last night?
Refuse? Is it okay to refuse to say no? Is it okay?
It's okay for you to honor yourself.
Yeah.
Like learn to honor yourself. Say, you know, I don't want to do this today.
Yeah.
I don't want to go here today. Part of the communication is just honoring who you are. Like, we have a sexologist here with us. She was talking about the sexual blueprints. Like every one of us has a different sexual blueprints, and sometimes we're trying to please our partner by betraying
who we
are.
Who we want.
And the moment that we are bending and we're pleasing our partner, not pleasing ourselves, nobody gets pleasure. Nobody gets pleasure. Like I get pleasure by pleasing my partner. She gets pleasure by pleasing me. So then when we are pleasing each other, like at the same time, that's when magic happens. Same thing in business, guys. If you're trying to just like doing it for the money, that's doing it for the wrong reasons. If you're in the business just for the money, you're in it for the wrong reasons. You have to be in it to give value. You have to be in it because that's your purpose. You have to be in it because that's who you're called to be. Like if you create a business, if you are an entrepreneur, it's because you've been called to do something bigger. You've been called to be able to go to the next level. That's impacting people's lives, bringing a product, bringing a service to the surface to other people who may not have it. It's the same thing in your relationship. If you are in a relationship, you owe that person to give it 100% of who you are. Not half, not 50-50, 100% of who you are.
And then also you could take your partner and invest as much as you invest in your business. I think like for me that was beautiful to see, like invest in your marriage, invest as much as you do in your business, to your marriage, to your relationship, to your body, to God.
If you invest as much as you invest in your marketing, invest in your sales, in your marriage, I'll tell you right now, you will make more money. And I know I didn't get this before, and spending years going through personal development, it didn't click. But once it clicked, man, it was game over, because I knew that my partner, my wife, was a direct reflection of my bank account. She was a direct reflection on my business. Once I got her on board, it was game over. And now, the next level from that is getting our kids on board. Like our kids now, you see my son, he's doing videos. You see my daughter, she's doing like musically. Like continue to expand your empire by bringing in. Like once you have the mindset, it's not enough to have just the mindset of believing in your message. You have to live it. You have to live it. And we live it by having this relationship. And we live it by teaching our kids. Like your legacy is at jeopardy if you don't level the fuck up. So we went into a little rant there, and I saw my comments from the kids. So my son right here is saying yes. I love you, Alejandro. Go to your Facebook, Alejandro. Don't go into your grandmother's. Don't go to your grandma. My son is in her grandmother's Facebook commenting. No, look, if you see Marcos Farias, your kids are so blessed. Yeah.
Yes, little by little.
So if you see a comment here from Martha Farias, she's not a crazy fan. She's actually a grandma. And my son is hacked into her account and he's commenting under her.
Yes, you can say yes. We love you. Mwah.
So guys, I hope that we give you some value in those 3 lessons that we got here from the God, Money, and Sex Mastermind.
That's right.
Love you guys.
Love you.
Learn it.
Live it.
Experience it.
Love life.
Luis says, do the fucking work. Do the fucking work. Do the fucking work. Love it.